it's time for breakfast. I'm wearing my slippers in this video. This is a safe place. Please keep it a safe place. Today we're making a burrata frittata. Say that 10 times fast.
Do it again.
Burrata frittata. Burrata frittata.
Do it one more time.
Burrata frittata. I'm done playing with you. What is burrata? We just bought this. We're gonna take you through and make the best frittata. Let's get into it. I have oiled a cast iron pan, so the oil will prevent the butter from burning. I'm gonna get it piping hot. Hold on. What are we putting in our frittata? Zucchini, half of an onion. I can't do anything without garlic. Tomatoes, 6 eggs. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It's okay. You like what I did there? To put whatever you want in your frittata. This is yours. I'm gonna give you a few basics today, and most importantly, I didn't tell Mikey this, but there's a surprise in the oven we're gonna reveal later. Stay tuned. I'm gonna cut everything. I've had a lot of comments from people about how I peeled my garlic. Tell me what the garlic is called again.
A clove?
A clove? No. The container of...
Hey Siri, what is a garlic of clove?
What? A garlic of clove? Hey Siri, what's a head of garlic?
That's what it is. It's called a head.
I'd like to hear more.
Yes, I want to hear everything about garlic. The first tip was buy it peeled. Thank you. The second tip was throw it into a mason jar and shake it vigorously. I feel like you're supposed to break it first. This is gonna be... Okay. It worked. Thank you, Alex, for the great idea. Behind us, you can see we have our butter sizzling up. I'm gonna lower this to medium. What I want to get in there to grill and caramelize a little bit is our zucchini, garlic, and onion. The one thing that you'll notice is I'm putting the garlic in last. We don't want to put it in first because garlic has the tendency to burn and then you have a terrible taste to it. Add a pinch of salt and let's mix it up. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. 6 eggs, right in. We've got a great amount of color on there. What I'm going to do now is add some water to the eggs. You can add milk. I prefer water. And then I'm going to take half of this mixture out and put it into our bowl to add to the top of the frittata. Adds a lot of air, which will make our frittata nice and fluffy. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Okie dokie, we're going over. Pour it right into the pan. We are not touching anything, let it go. You want the bottom to become nice and crispy. It's gonna turn into like this egg crust, and then the entire top and center is gonna be nice and fluffy. Now, we're going to add this to the top layer. We're gonna let that go for a minute. We're not gonna finish our frittata on the stovetop. We're gonna toss it in the oven. We can get a crispy top as well. It's almost like this frittata pie. This serves about 6 people. There's only 2 of us. I think it only serves 4. That's 3 eggs a piece. That's not a lot, right? That 2 of us eat the whole frittata? This serves 2. Whatever, we're eating 3 eggs today. I don't care. Leave a comment below if you eat less than 2 eggs or you only eat 1. Okay, cut a smaller slice. The frittata is doing really well over there. It's probably been about 5 minutes. It's on medium-high heat. Our oven is set to 450. It's been warming for our surprise that we have in there. I'm about to reveal it. I know. You can't have breakfast without a hash brown. I know. that you're excited for a hash brown right now. And what we're going to do is smash these so we get a, what is it? Like a hash brown consistency, but it's like a smashed hash brown.
It's like a smashed.
A smash brown! A smash brown! Oh! Hold on. What do you do? Trademark? Hashtag smash brown. Trademark. And we're gonna smash these. They're going back into the oven. This is gonna be like another struggle to... Oh my God, what is wrong with me? Oh! I need to show you this. Look at this. Little pillow of cheese. It's time to take the frittata out. And here is our frittata. You can see we have this crispy layer for the star of the show, the burrata. Oh my gosh. Add a little bit more. And look how beautiful that looks. You can see you have the nice crispy layer on the bottom, and then beautiful, light, and fluffy on the inside. Let's try it. Oh my God, it's delicious. Let's try the sweet potato smash brown. And I want to show you this. It's nice and crispy. Here's what you need to make our burrata frittata. Zucchini, onions, garlic, tomatoes, 6 eggs, salt, pepper, and of course, burrata, the star of the show. If you haven't already, subscribe below, and I'll see you next week. Bye.